Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by priming your body and clarifying the target. Start with an 8-12-minute dynamic warm-up to raise core temperature and neural drive. This reduces injury risk and improves stride efficiency. Once done, do a short 200 m all-out to record baseline speed and cadence so you know what to improve. Make sure to set a tangible goal, for example, 5% faster over 400 m, and commit to a 4-8-week progressive plan that guides training load and recovery. You now focus on targeted stimulus and efficient mechanics. Do interval sessions 1-2 times weekly, 6-10 repeats of 200-400 m near maximal effort with full recovery to train top-end speed and neuromuscular power. Complement this with 2 strength power sessions, heavy squats, Romanian deadlifts, and explosive jumps for 3-5 reps to convert strength to speed. Meanwhile, practice running drills like A-skips and bounding to improve leg turnover and posture. When tired, keep form relaxed. You wrap up by refining peak freshness and evaluating progress. Taper for 5-7 days before a test. Cut volume by 40-60%, but preserve short, sharp efforts so you stay fast. Then run a timed effort like a 1K or race to compare against your baseline and decide next steps. If you hit a plateau or experience persistent pain, reduce training load immediately, review mechanics for breakdowns, and consult a coach or physiotherapist. Addressing issues early prevents setbacks and preserves long-term gains.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.